of the year. This investigation is about alien symbols. So we've got 3 symbols that aliens want to use. We've got a hashtag, a percentage, and an and symbol. It doesn't really matter what symbols we're using. And the idea is they're going to combine or rearrange these symbols in all the ways possible to create a number system. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with the hashtag first. And all the numbers starting with a hashtag are the smallest numbers. So you can see hashtag is 0, hashtag percentage is 1, hashtag and is 2. Then to get to the next set of biggest numbers, we're going to move on to the percentage sign. So we're going to use all the symbols that we can with the percentage sign, but we're going to just combine 2 of them. So we're going to do percentage hashtag is 3, percentage is 4, percentage and is 5. And then we're going to repeat the process with the and signs. You can see that we've combined these symbols 9 ways by just combining 2 of them at a time. Another way of thinking about this is you could replace the hashtags and the percentages with numbers. So you could say 1 is 1, 1 2 is 1 is 0, 1 2 is 1, 1 3 is 2, etc. So every time we're getting bigger in these 2 numbers, the numbers here on the right are also getting bigger. So in this investigation, to get a grade 4, you only need to complete up to this section. So what I'm going to do is highlight this section in yellow. If you'd like a 5 or 6, you can ask me for support in the class, but I'm just going to go over this yellow section. So we have to consider this table. And we know that if we combine 2 symbols together in as many ways as possible, we get 9 possible combinations. These are our 9 different images. But we want to work out, well, what happens if we combine 3 symbols together? So a way I would think about this is instead of talking about the symbols as hashtag, percentage, and we can talk about them in terms of 1, 2, and 3. So what I would do is I'd start with the ones and we'd see all the different combinations we could have. So let's start with 3 ones. Then we're going to start with 2 ones. And then we're going to move the 2 ones, and now we're going to have 2 2s. And you can see how many different combinations you have. I'd list them on Google Sheets, and then you can fill out this table. So this question specifically is asking you, number 1, work out the number of quantities represented if there are 3 symbols. So it wants you to work out this section of the table. And then the last part of the table is this 3rd question, and then the 4th question is stating a rule. So the rule would be how do you get from 3 to 9 to this number to this number. We are doing the same thing each time. It will be adding, subtracting, timesing or dividing. Remember, you must delete all the questions in your investigation and write it in your own words. You will have about 3 or 4 lessons to do this. Good luck.